a stunningly designed terrace garden at home, showcasing a blend of greenery and modern aesthetics. The space features a mix of potted plants, flowers, and small trees, all harmoniously arranged on a wooden deck. A cozy seating area with contemporary furniture invites relaxation, while a stylish pergola adds an elegant touch. The overall atmosphere is serene and inviting, creating a perfect oasis for unwinding after a long day. A serene and picturesque terrace garden featuring a beautiful blend of lush greenery, colorful flowers, and intricate stone pathways. The space is adorned with comfortable outdoor furniture, a charming pergola, and a delicate water feature that gently cascades into a small pond. The overall ambiance of the design is tranquil and inviting, creating an ideal oasis for relaxation and enjoyment. A stunningly designed terrace garden in a modern home. The space is tastefully adorned with modern furniture, including a sleek white table and chair set, and a cozy sofa with colorful cushions. The layout showcases a beautiful blend of natural elements and contemporary design, with a water feature in one corner and string lights strung above. The overall ambiance is inviting and tranquil, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. A beautiful and serene terrace garden adorned with various hung-up decorations. The garden is filled with colorful flowers and a charming trellis covered in blooming vines. The hung-up decorations include delicate wind chimes, rustic lanterns, and whimsical windsocks. The overall atmosphere is peaceful and inviting, creating the perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation. The garden is decorated with a rustic wooden furniture set, including a table and 2 chairs, creating a cozy atmosphere for relaxation. The background features a stunning view of a tranquil lake, with the sun setting behind the distant mountains, casting a warm golden glow over the entire scene. A breathtaking vision of a terrace garden filled with lush greenery, vibrant flowers, and stylish furniture. The terrace is adorned with a variety of potted plants, including tall palm trees, colorful flowering bushes, and a delicate water feature. The seating area features a comfortable rattan couch, a rustic wooden table, and chic woven chairs. The overall ambiance is serene and inviting, with a harmonious blend of nature and design. A beautifully designed terrace garden featuring 3 distinct frames. In the first frame, a cozy seating area is set up with comfortable chairs, a small table, and a fire pit. The second frame showcases a lush green garden with various flowers, plants, and trees, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. The third frame features a modern water feature with a sleek, rectangular pool and a cascading waterfall, providing a calming sound and visual effect. The overall design is a harmonious blend of nature and modern aesthetics, perfect for relaxation and entertainment. A visually stunning design concept for a terrace garden. The space is divided into 2 frames, each featuring a unique theme. The left frame showcases a water feature with a serene pond surrounded by lush green plants and colorful flowers. A rustic wooden bench provides a tranquil spot for relaxation. The right frame is a modern and chic area with geometric patterned pavers, a minimalist fireplace, and contemporary furniture. The terrace garden's overall ambiance is calming and sophisticated, offering a perfect oasis for unwinding. A stunning outdoor terrace garden featuring 4 distinct frames. The first frame showcases a lush green wall with climbing ivy and vibrant flowers interspersed. The second frame presents a modern steel table with sleek chairs surrounded by tall potted plants. The third frame is a cozy sitting area with plush cushions and a fire pit, enveloped in soft, warm lighting. The fourth frame features a tranquil water feature with a crystal-clear pond and a small, graceful bridge. The overall atmosphere is serene, inviting, and harmonious with nature.